Welcome to our lesson on file handling. Reading files is how your Python program talks to the outside world, allowing it to pull in information saved on your hard drive. By mastering this, you can process logs, configurations, and data, turning static files into dynamic program inputs. Think of opening a file like checking out a library book. You first open the file to access its contents, read what you need, and then close it when you are finished. This ensures you don't keep resources tied up unnecessarily, keeping your computer's memory clean and organized. To start, we use the open function. The first argument is the file name, and the second is the mode. Using RTL's Python, we only want to read the file. It's the standard, safe way to begin interacting with any document stored on your machine. The with statement is a best practice in Python. It acts as a context manager, meaning it automatically closes the file for you once the block of code finishes. Even if an error occurs while reading, with ensures the file handle is cleaned up correctly, preventing memory leaks. Here is your first look at the code. By using with open and assigning it to the variable f, we can call the .read method. This pulls the entire content of the file into a single string. It's perfect for smaller files where you need all the data at once. For larger files, reading everything into memory at once can be slow. Instead, use .readlines to get a list of every line, or iterate through the file object using a for loop. This processes the file one line at a time, keeping your program's memory usage very low. Here is a vital tip: always use the with statement. If you open a file manually and your program crashes before you close it, the file stays locked in memory. The with block acts like a safety net, ensuring the file closes automatically, even if errors occur. What happens if the file doesn't exist? Python will raise a file not found error. This stops your program instantly. As you gain more experience, you will learn to use try-except blocks to catch these errors gracefully, but for now, just ensure your file path matches the actual location. Let's see this in action. We use the open function with R for reading, alias it as f, and store the full contents in a variable named content. Once we call print, the text file's message appears on our console. It is clean, simple, and very effective. Time for a quick check. Which mode should you use to open a file strictly for reading? Is it A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is B, the R mode. This stands for read and ensures you don't accidentally overwrite your precious data while exploring its contents. To wrap up, remember these 3 golden rules for file handling. First, always explicitly use the R mode when opening files for reading. Second, prioritize the with statement to keep your code safe and clean. Finally, the context manager ensures your files close automatically, preventing memory leaks.